Alright, so today we're going to do a cabin air filter in a Ford Fiesta ST. Here's the part. We're going to do this the lazy way. So slap your seat all the way back and remove this little Phillips grommet thing and then pop that panel off. Pop. Isn't that nice? Take out the temperature sensor probe looking thingy. And then you're going to have some bolts to undo, and this is the key. So get those 5 bolts that you can see here. They're all glowing silver. Good luck, you might need it. And then there's a little retainer on that part of the wiring harness that you have to take off, and this was annoying to do with my phone in the way. Then you just open up that gate and toss it aside. Yank out your old filter. Mine looks kind of crinkly because of my very lazy method of putting it back in. But did a good job, caught a lot of smoke. It was very gross. So here's the trick. Scrunch it up like this and then just shove it in. As far as it'll go, yank it back out a little bit and you're set. Another trick when you're doing this up with these plastic screws, unscrew until you feel it click in one thread. There, and then you can tighten it back up. That way you won't strip any new threads in it, because they will just cut new threads if you let them. You can re-engage that wiring harness retainer and re-engage the temperature probe. Then line up your panel. It's supposed to be 3 points, but one of mine broke off. Don't worry about it. And slap it and pry it until it pops back in there. You just pop that sucker back in, and you're all good to go.